Welcome to a comprehensive comparison between Kanbanchi and Coda.io, two powerful tools in the realm of project management. In this video, we'll explore the features, functionalities, and unique offerings of both platforms to help you make an informed decision for your project management needs. Let's start with an overview of each platform. Kanbanchi is a versatile project management tool built on the foundation of the popular Kanban methodology and designed for Google Workspace companies. It offers intuitive boards, cards, lists, making it easy to visualize workflows and collaborate seamlessly with your team. On the other hand, Coda.io takes a flexible approach by combining the functionalities of documents, spreadsheets, and applications into one platform. It allows users to create custom project management solutions tailored to their own specific needs. When it comes to features, Kanbanchi offers a range of features including customizable boards, task cards, Gantt charts, time tracking, and integration with Google Workspace. Its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Google Drive make it an ideal choice for teams already using Google's suite of productivity tools. Moreover, Kanbanchi emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, making it accessible to users of all levels without compromising on functionality. Coda, on the other hand, stands out with its versatility and customization options. Users can create interactive documents called docs that combine text, tables, and applications, allowing for complex project management solutions tailored to different workflows. With Coda, you can build interactive project dashboards, automate repetitive tasks with custom formulas and buttons, and even integrate with third-party APIs. Effective collaboration and communication are essential for successful project management. Kanbanchi offers real-time collaboration features such as comments, mentions, and notifications, ensuring that team members stay informed and engaged throughout the project lifecycle. Additionally, its integrations with Google Workspace allow for seamless communication through Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Meet. Similarly, Coda prioritizes collaboration with features like real-time editing, comments, and mentions. However, its unique selling point lies in the ability to create interactive documents that serve as a centralized hub for communication and collaboration. Users can embed timelines, charts, and even chatbots directly into their docs, streamlining communication and enhancing productivity. In summary, Kanbanchi excels in its simplicity, ease of use, and integration with Google services, while Coda stands out for its flexibility, customization options, and powerful automation capabilities. If you don't mind the steep learning curve and the time and effort needed for setting up your docs, Coda can be your best friend. Kanbanchi, on the other hand, should be your tool of choice if your company is already using Google Workspace. Either way, I suggest you try Kanbanchi at kanbanchi.com and see all it has to offer.